quick look at this Black&Decker KX1650 heat gun. It's made for overseas. So I want to point that out, that this version it has a plug that actually plugs overseas in Asia, Europe, and South America. It has dual temperature settings on your switch. So it has a high and low, and also includes a stand. So that way you can put it on the table and do your work above it. Comes with multiple attachments. I use this to help wrap motorcycles and various vehicles. It conveniently helps dry paint much faster. It also helps remove labels, stickers, and automotive wrap. This heat gun is 1750 watts, 240 volts, and it reaches temperatures ranging from 860 to 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 460 to 600 degrees Celsius. It also includes a work stand on the end of the handle so you can cool off or work from above. The power cord is about 6 feet long. This version just weighs a little over a pound. It's engineered to operate at extremely high temperatures. It helps peel off stickers, removes old paint, can thaw frozen pipes, dry freshly painted objects, loosen bolts and nuts, applying and removing vinyl on vehicles. The handle grip feels pretty comfortable. This KX1650 is actually a higher wattage, a higher voltage, produces higher airflow, and also higher temperature range versus the US version, the HD1300 heat gun. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.